I want to eat, but how do I order in English? Today you will learn 3 essential phrases for ordering food in English. 1. I want. 2. How much? 3. I'll have. Let's go inside the market. Look, noodles. I want noodles, please. This is our first phrase. I want noodles, please. Say it with me. Great. Now you try with other food. Say. Very good. Mango. How much is this? The seller says 50 baht. How much is this? Your turn. Point at something in your room. Say, great job. It's hot. I want a drink. I'll have a coconut drink, please. This is our third phrase. I'll have. I'll means I will. It's a polite way to order. I'll have water, please. I'll have ordered coffee, please. Now you try. Choose one drink. Say, nice. Now a quick quiz. Look, think, and say the sentence. Number 1. You point at noodles. What do you say? Number 2. You hold a mango. What do you ask? Number 3. You want to order a coconut drink. What do you say? Did you say them? Great work. Let's review today's 3 phrases. 1. I want noodles, please. 2. How much is this? 3. I'll have a coconut drink, please. Now you can order food in English at a market or restaurant. In the next lesson, we will learn new English with Emma in Thailand. Like this video, subscribe, and practice with me again. See you next time.